naturally curly, you get a 75%, which is still a passing grade. You know, you get a 75% because 3 out of the 4 products that I got did work very well, and I was highly impressed.
All we do is drive around aimlessly, trying to forget who we want to be, trying to just breathe and be carefree, baby, you and me.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Ruthie Patootie and I'm back with another video, and today I'm just gonna hop right into it. I'm not even gonna do the whole long introduction because you guys already know the drill. If you're new, please subscribe. If you're not, welcome back. So I'm coming back at you guys with a new wash and go video, which I've not done in forever, and today's wash and go is brought to you by products that I didn't necessarily choose on my own. And you guys didn't choose for me because usually I have you guys comment below what you like to see me try next. But this time I was inspired by Casey Aaliyah and Naturally Nisi, who did a video on natural curlies. I believe the website is Naturally Curly's top products of 2017. So on this website they have the top rated products for natural hair, ranging from 4C to 3A, the whole spectrum. So they have a bunch of products categorized, and the top picks recommended for each hair type. So for instance, I wanted to get a curling jelly or a curling gel of some sort for 4C hair. So they had styling gels for 4C hair, for 4B hair, for 4A, 3C, and so forth and so on. So what I did was I went ahead and I chose a whole range of products to use. They're not a whole range of products, not from the same brand. I don't know if that makes sense. But I got a shampoo, I got a deep conditioner, I got a leave-in conditioner, and then I got this gel that I wanted to try to see how it would work all together in a wash and go. So without further ado, let's get into the video and I'm going to share my thoughts on these products. I'm just going to start off by saying that I'm not very pleased with the way things turned out, but I'm not going to jump to that just yet. Let's just kind of go in order of how I use each product. So starting with the shampoo, honey. This is Alikay Naturals Moisturizing Black Soap Shampoo, and it's set to be for kinky, curly, wavy, straight hair. It contains natural and organic ingredients in it, including cocoa seed powder, plantain skins, and tea tree oil. If you want to find out more about each product, I'll leave links down below for you to find out. But it is a sulfate-free shampoo and it's meant to moisturize your hair. I actually co-washed my hair last night so that I can co-wash and co-wash and detangle it prior to all the shenanigans I was going to get into today. So I decided to break up the whole process, and I co-washed last night and detangled last night with my trusted Herbal Essence conditioner, and it did the job as always. Old faithful. So this morning I really didn't need to use a shampoo, but I just wanted to test it out to let you guys know how I felt about it. And honestly, I have nothing negative to say about the shampoo. And the fact that it comes in a bottle like this where you can target where this is meant to go. I had my hair in twists from last night and wanted to keep it in twists so that as I'm shampooing, I'm not getting my hair back into tangles, because I really just worked hard to detangle it. Ain't no way I'm about to sit here and get it all tangled up again. So leaving it in twists was a must, and having this very convenient bottle to shampoo with was amazing. It's definitely moisturizing as it claims to be. It doesn't strip my hair. My hair didn't feel like I just, took out all the moisture from it after shampooing. It still felt nice and soft afterwards. The only thing though is because it's moisturizing, if you have a lot of buildup in your hair from prior styling, I don't think this would be the product you want to go for. You'd want to go for a more clarifying shampoo. Okay, and so moving on to the deep conditioner, this is Brown Butter Beauty Babassu Butter Love Deep Conditioner. Say that 10 times fast. Brown Butter Beauty Babassu, Brown Butter Beauty Babassu Butter Love, Brown Beauty Butter, Brown Butter Beauty Babassu Butter Love, Brown Butter Beauty Babassu Butter Love. Okay. So this was the deep conditioner that I followed up with. It says that it's meant to provide outstanding softness to your hair, help define your curls, detangle, and moisturize. So as you guys can see right now, I'm working this deep conditioner through my hair. I'm able to still rake my fingers through. Now granted, this definitely was has to do with the fact that I detangled the day before. The fact that my hands just effortlessly glide through each section is just, it's a beautiful thing, okay baby? What I think about this conditioner, it definitely lives up to its name, butter, because my hair just seemed to just melt like butter in between my fingers as I was raking my fingers through. And the thing is though, the consistency isn't really buttery, as you can, I don't know if you can see, but it's actually kind of runny, so it doesn't have that butter consistency. It definitely has your hair feeling like you're using something that's really, really moisturizing on your hair. This deep conditioner is tiny little 8-ounce deep conditioner, this little tiny thing, girl, it was $23. Now, my thing is, it's wonderful, but will I buy it again? I want to. But I don't know, $23 for 8 ounces? I feel like there's something out there that's cheaper that I could get away with using and get similar results. I don't know, but I am glad that I got it and I got to try it out, because this will be my deep conditioner for the next couple weeks, next couple months, because look, it's like right here. It's right here right now after one use, so I can probably get only 5 uses out of this. 4 to 5 uses out of this. I don't know. So at this point, I've shampooed, I have deep conditioned. All I need to do now is style my hair. This is a leave-in conditioner and it's also a detangler. So it's a perfect combination for someone that's about to do a wash and go, because you don't want your hair snagging as you're raking your fingers through while you're applying the gel. So this leave-in detangling hair treatment is by Camille Rose Naturals, and it is their coconut water leave-in detangling treatment. It says that it is a concentrated leave-in treatment for shiny, silky, soft hair. What is with hair products and alliterations? Y'all just got me up in tongue twisters and stuff. It says that this is supposed to give you moisture, say goodbye to dry, frizzy hair, and say hello to gorgeous, shiny curls. My thoughts on this was that it reminds me a lot of Kinky Curly's Not Today leave-in treatment, because it's a leave-in treatment and it's a detangler. So the consistency of this is very, very similar. If you look at the product, it looks pretty much the same to me, except this is a little bit thicker, and when you rub your hands together it thickens up even more. So if you're looking for something that's very lightweight, I would stay with the Kinky Curly Not Today. If you're looking for something a little bit thicker, if you have like stubborn hair that won't cooperate and you need something a little bit more oomph to it, then I would say this is a good product to go for. And it smells wonderful, might I add. So these first 3 products, I really, 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 really like them in combination. I'm even thinking that the next time I do my hair, I'm probably going to do a twist out using these. So the star of the show is our Bumble Anti-Humidity Gel Oil. So it's a gel and an oil hopperensely. It's meant to provide glossy and elongated curls from ringlets to corkscrews. So it's basically saying that it's going to make your hair shine bright like a diamond, and it's going to prevent shrinkage, and it's supposed to be from looser textures to tighter textures. Pero I don't think it's for tighter textures. You know what I'm saying? I don't think this is something I would recommend for someone that has 4C or like the later end of the type 4 spectrum. You know what I'm saying? I feel like you have to work for your curl with this product. If you pick up something like an Eco Styler, not so much. You don't have to work so hard. So after I put in the leave-in conditioner, I went section by section, raking the product through my hair. I added more water because I felt like maybe my hair was too dry, so I would, use my spray bottle, spray water on, add more product, rake my hair through, try the praying method. I tried all sorts of things to try to get the technique down to make this product work, and it just didn't work for me. Who knows? Maybe my technique just really, really needs some improvements and I need some more pointers. But it was just so much hard work, and for what? For all this buildup still left in my hair. So I actually got this from Amazon, and it retailed for $26.95 for a 7.2 ounce jar. No ma'am. I had to use a lot of gel to define my hair. So for someone that has my hair texture, you need a lot of product to get this thing to work. And I can't see myself, I feel like I can only get one more use out of this because it's only, what was it? Because there's only about 7 ounces in here. Like, this thing is almost all gone. And I paid $27 for it. I don't think so. And as you can see, the results aren't the best. Partially my fault, I will admit, it's partially my fault because one thing that I've learned is very important in doing wash and goes is your styling treatment combination. So the leave-in that you decide to use and the gel have to work together, and I don't think these two were meant to work together because right now my hair is still slightly wet, but the whiteness that you're seeing on the screen in the frame, it's almost like a gummy consistency. It's similar to the results I had when I used the Camille Rose hair gel. I don't know if there's a relationship. So aside from the fact that I screwed up and I used the wrong combination products, I don't think that this defined my hair, as well as a simple Eco Styler $7 28 ounce jar would have done. I don't know. I'll have to try it again. I'm just disappointed because I spent all day on this. I don't know. Luckily I didn't have to go anywhere, but I don't even know what I'm going to do tomorrow. Anyway, even though this video did seem a little bit anticlimactic, naturally curly, you get a 75%, which is still a passing grade. You know, you get a 75% because 3 out of the 4 products that I got did work very well, and I was highly impressed. It was just that last product that we just need to play around with and figure out, you know, how we can make it work. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully the next time I do a Gel Wars series, it'll yield positive results. In the meantime, I hope you guys are having a wonderful time in the world, and I'll see you next time. Take care, guys. Bye.
Cause it's midnight and the lights are bright. We're searching for a little fun tonight. It's midnight and the lights are bright.